Welcome to another negotiating 5-minute auto pairing. So let's try Smith-Morra gambit. Like for Ne3 here. I'll take that off. Can I then castle queenside? Oh, there's knight d4 immediately. Ah, cool. Let's stop that actually. F4. Okay, preserve the bishops. Oh, knight f7 potentially. Oh, bishop, let's get this guy away. I think I want to play f4. Okay. F4 here. What's the plan? Rook d4. That's another idea. Rook d4. Maybe just a double on d6. f5. Okay. Is h5 as well as an idea? Is it going back to a5 here? Isn't e5 a little bit weaker? Maybe I should just let him double. Okay, I'll just... If I could protect h4 so I can free the rook. Alright, so I just want to put pressure on e5 here. e4, this bishop f4. There's bishop f4 here. Almost. h5. b4. Alright, I'll just double on g3 could be weak. It's immediately on that. can do this actually, hitting G4. Knight G3, Queen G4, there's Bishop F4 maybe after. It's tricky. F6 doing anything? No, H5. I'm going to pins. Right here for Bishop F4, maybe. Try and trap this knight. Actually, that stops my knight being pinned as well, so it's doing something at least. Bishop F4 idea. Ahead on the clock by a little bit as well. Right, can I not just take that? Bishop C3 is Rook G3, or Bishop F4. C4 here for Queen E4, or just Bishop D4 maybe. I don't think he's got that much, I hope. If I get the queens off, Queen F4. So Queen F4. Alright, there's no Knight C3 just yet. There's Rook E4 threatens. So Knight's actually holding G1. Okay. Queen there. It's getting short on time. Let's make this A file attack. Potentially. There's Knight F7 there. Yeah, it's got very short on time. It's a bit of a messy scenario though. I'm okay here after Knight G4 apparently. It seems a bit strange, this scenario. Did I miss something there? Bishop B3 here. Is it something to do with F7? Pardon me. Yeah, he's okay here. I thought I got nothing much. Yeah, tricky. Ah, now I think it goes wrong. D4 better. Try and bust out with my king. That's just weird. I don't think it's got much now. Oh, hang on. I did just miss winning a piece, didn't I, with this? I was looking at that earlier. Okay, I missed winning a piece. Okay, there's more to it though. There's Queen F5, hold on. Queen G4, Queen H7, Knight G5, Queen G6, H5. Okay, yep. He's in such weird time pressure now anyway. Yeah, okay. Comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks so much.